Today, we're going to explore the names of different body parts in English. Our bodies are like incredible machines, and each part serves a special purpose. Are you excited? Let's dive in. Head and shoulders. First, we have the head. Our head is like the control center of our body. It houses our brain, which helps us think, learn, and understand the world around us. Can you point to your head? Great job! Now, let's touch our shoulders. Our shoulders help us carry things and give our friends big hugs. Well done! Head and shoulders. Eyes, nose, mouth. Moving to our face, these are your eyes. With our eyes, we see the beautiful colors, read amazing stories, and watch our favorite movies. Can you blink your eyes? Awesome! And here's your nose. Your nose helps you smell yummy foods like pizza and flowers in a garden. Give it a little wiggle. Lastly, we have your mouth. Our mouth helps us talk, eat delicious foods, and share laughter with friends. Can you open it wide? Fantastic! Arms and hands. Now, let's explore our arms. These are your arms. With your arms, you can hug your loved ones, draw beautiful pictures, and even play your favorite musical instruments. Can you wave your arms like me? Great job! And here are your hands. Your hands let you write letters, build sandcastles, and give high fives. Clap your hands together. Super! Legs and feet. Moving down to your legs, they help you run, jump, dance, and explore the world. These are your legs. Can you jump up and down using your legs? Amazing! And here are your feet. With your feet, you can walk on sandy beaches, play soccer with friends, and even dance like nobody's watching. Try tapping your feet on the floor. Wonderful! Now, it's your turn. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Head.
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 Shoulders.
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 Eyes.
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 Nose.
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 Mouth.
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 Arms.
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 Hands.
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 Legs.
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 legs,
Legs.
feet,
Feet.
feet,
Feet.
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 Great job, everyone! You're doing fantastic! You've learned about the incredible parts of our bodies and how they help us in our daily adventures. Keep exploring and taking care of your amazing bodies. Remember, our bodies are remarkable, and so are you. See you next time!